Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create Stripe account in 2023 for beginners. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, let me tell you what is basically a Stripe. A Stripe is basically a payment service provider that allows business owner to accept debit, credit cards, digital wallets, and other alternative payments method in over 125 currency, and it offers ways to bill your customers and collect payments. Stripe payments work best for e-commerce businesses. So how does Stripe work? Stripe payments connect your business with paying customers. It validates the payments methods, facilitate the moments of money, and secure the data. And first, your customer initiate the transaction by providing their information. After they submit the information, Stripe encrypt the data to secure that, and this Stripe send the data to the incurring bank to process. And once the payment is processed, you will be able to get the credit for that payments. Now let me just take a look at that. Let me show you. So first, you all need to go on Google and type stripe.com. Once you're done, you will see the landing page like this. This is the official page of stripe.com. Financial infrastructure for the internet. Millions of companies of all sizes, from startup to fortune. So you can just Stripe account to offer an API to accept terms, send payouts, and manage your business online. First, let me take a look at that. Then we're gonna sign up with that platform. Now you can see a fully integrated suite of payment products. We can bring together everything that required to build websites and apps that accept payments and send payouts globally. We also help companies beat fraud, send invoices, issue virtual and physical cards, reduce friction at checkouts, get financing, manage business spends, and much more. Now the world's most powerful and easy to use API. You will see a different template. You can see the programming, the coding. Now a technology first approach to payments and finance. So you can go with a close to the middle, fast improving platform, battle tested reliability, intelligent optimization, and the backbone for internet businesses. Okay, for ambitious companies around the world, Stripe makes moving money as simple, borderless, and programmable as the rest of the internet. Our team are based on in dozens of offices around the world, and we can process hundreds of billions of dollars each year for the startup Fortune 500. You will see 250 million plus API requests per day, and 90% for US adults have brought from business using Stripe, and 135 plus currencies and payment methods supported, and 25 plus countries with local acquiring optimizing accepted rates. So ready to get started. Now let me just take a look at that. You go on top, you will see simply click on sign in. It's gonna take you that page. If you already have account, just sign in. If you don't have it, just simply click on sign up. We need to sign up with that platform. So you can enter your full name. First you have to enter your email address. You can select your country. You can create the passwords. Just simply click on create account. And you have to verify. You can open your Gmail. You can verify your email address over here. Now there you go. So this is the official page. Let me just create the profile over here. My profile, you will see on the left corner, Michael Diaz, administrator. This is the my profile, and you can see the home options of home, payments, balances, customers, products, billing, reports connect. And if you click on active payments, you will see, let's start with some basic. You can create your own active payment. You can first you have to verify your businesses. You can add your bank, secure your account, add extra, review, and finish. So this is how you can go with that platform. Sign up the applications, active your payments, go with your bank, create all of your details, and once you will be able to sending and receiving money with to some users to different platforms. You can allow business owner to accept the Visa debit card. Now this is how you can use with that platform. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.